everyone, so today let's talk about how to use YouTube Shorts trending feature. So to use this feature, you must use the discovery tools embedded directly within the YouTube mobile app to find viral video topics and format. So the first one is to use trending sounds and tracks. Using viral audio is the fastest way to get your shorts into the algorithmic feed. You can discover this feature by using the shorts feed method. Just open your YouTube app and then go to your shorts. Once you go to your shorts, swipe through the shorts feed until you spot a video with a small square sound icon or a scrolling track name at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to see how many videos use it. Tap use this sound to immediately record with that background track. Now the next is the audio library method. Just tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and then select create a short. Then tap add sound at the top center. Now YouTube will present a curated list of top performing tracks under a top sounds or trending menu. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next one.